So, this is basic Korean class with world best Korean teacher Eugene. Okay, so don't forget to download PDF file that I included to this video. You can download it by click the Learn More button. I made this note for you to take a note while you watch this video or to use it when you want to review what you've studied. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you real 불규칙 활용, real irregular conjugation. In previous video, I've already explained about 비읍 irregular conjugation and 히읗 irregular conjugation. Well, so 히읗, 비읍, 리을. So is it all? Not really. Still, there are 디귿 불규칙, 시옷 불규칙, 르 불규칙, 러 불규칙. Wow, so many irregular rules. Well, actually, it seems having irregular is regular thing, right? Regular, what? Regular, irregular? But don't worry. You have me. Who? Word? Okay, I believe that you complete this. Yeah, this name? No, what is it? Okay, whatever. Yeah. So, are you ready? 준비됐어요? 시작할까요? So, 리을 불규칙, 리을 irregular conjugation. It's so simple. You just omit the final consonant, 리을. Yeah, 리을 goes away. In the 리을 in the stem of verb and adjective. But different from other irregulars, it does not happen when it means vowel. It happens when it means 오, 니은, 비읍, 시옷, 을. I recommend you to memorize this as 내 보석을. Yes, 보석, jewel. Yes. 내 보석을? My jewel? Yes, like this. Well, of course, you can remember as you want. Yeah. It's just suggestion. Yes. So, well, so just 오, 느, 브, 스, 을. Well, first 오. Well, 오 is ending the polite version of 아 and 어, but less polite than 습니다. Well, but it isn't used today, so you can hear it in historical drama or literature. Yeah, so you don't need to care about this. However, you should care about 니은, 비읍, 시옷, 을. So let's see how to conjugate. Final consonant 리을 is omitted. Oh, sorry. Yeah. When no, not this pen. Sorry. So when 리을 final consonant 리을, but not just final consonant, the final consonant in the stem of the verb or adjective, right? So 리을 means 오, 느, 브, 스, 을. 리을 goes away. Yeah, like this. So let's see how to conjugate. Yes, with the verb 놀다, 놀다. What does 놀다 means? Play. Yes, my favorite thing. 공부를 안 해요. 놀아요. Yes, this is 놀다. Well, since the stem of the verb is just 놀, right? The stem is the verb or adjective without 다, right? So it has 을. And as you know that the syllables in bracket, yes, in bracket, they are not be used when the verb has final consonant 리을, right? So you don't use it. Goes away. 안녕. Yes. So let's see. 놀, means go. So Lil goes away. 안녕, 집에 가. 응, 쉬어. No. 니까. No. 놀다. 플러스 니까. 또 니은. 안녕. 너도 가. 응. 노니까. 노니까. 그 다음에 은이다. 놀다. So, 기읍. 너도 가. 응, 잘 가. 놀다. 놀다. 세요. 시옷. So. 야, 너도 가. 안녕, 안녕. 노세요. 놀 거예요. Yes, like this. So easy, right? You just omit the real. Well, but there is one thing you should be careful. Well, even native Korean often make mistakes on it. Well, unlike 니은, 비읍, 시옷, 을, it only applies to not just 리을, but 을. What I mean is 니은, 비읍, 시옷. Well, it's just 니은, 비읍, 시옷. No matter it has 을 in bracket or not. Well, let's see. So now this time I'd like to use adjective. What adjective has 리을? 길다. long. So when it means 길다 means 네요. Yes, it has 을 in bracket and it doesn't have 을 in bracket, but it doesn't matter. There is just 니은. Or it doesn't matter whether the 니은 is on the beginning position or in the final position, like 는. So it comes as 일 없어져요. 기니까. 머리가 기니까 불편해요. 머리가 기네요. Yes, Lil goes away. And this one. 긴 머리. 길다 플러스 는 해서 이거 지워지고 긴 머리. Yes, it doesn't matter. However, when it comes 을, like the verb 만들다, make. Yes, 려고 is the ending of intention. And you may think, okay, so it goes away, and so that this one meets 을, so 만드, because 를 goes away, and 릴 거예요. 만들 거예요. Oops, sorry for my bad writings. But you can recognize it, right? Yeah. And you may think, okay, real means here is also real. So real goes away, and so like this, 만들려고. Right? But no, it's incorrect. Because it isn't 을, it's 으려. You see? So it always has to be the real with the bracket 을 in bracket and real in final position. This one, it has real but in beginning position, so it doesn't this real irregular conjugation rule doesn't apply to 으려고. So it's just 만들다 려고 만들려고. Yeah, you have to be careful with this because even many Korean people make mistakes on this. Well, when I just neighbor the 만들려고, and you can find this much posting use saying 만들려고, not 만들려고. Okay, so it certainly has this thing always like in bracket and just lil in final position. Okay, so this is all for today. So don't forget about 내 보석을. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe, click like button, and set alarm. And please let your friends know about this channel. Okay, then see you later.